you can see in my spreadsheet, I have only 3 lead details, but now someone is interested because they saw my ad on Facebook and they fill in this lead form. So as you can see, I'm going to fill in this lead form as new user. Let me just click on the submit button and we have successfully filled in this lead form. So let me just open my spreadsheet and you can see within seconds and in real time the details are added right over here in my spreadsheet. This is no magic, this is the power of automation which we are going to create in today's video. So to do this, just open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and over here to come to the dashboard, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Just click on the sign up for free and your free trial of Pabbly is going to start. Then just log in inside Pabbly Connect, click on this create workflow and then create using a quick builder. Over here just type your prompt, which is Facebook leads to sheets. So just type the prompt right over here and then simply send this prompt. Within few seconds your workflow will be created successfully. It is saying, did you mean any of this? Yes, it's Facebook lead ads. So just select the same, select the trigger event as new lead instant. For the Google Sheet, select add new row and the workflow is created. Click on this approve and create an open workflow. Yes, your workflow is created successfully. Now you just have to connect your application. So go on this Facebook lead ads, click on this connect and make sure that your Facebook lead ads account is logged in. Click on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Now if your account is not logged in, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account and then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. Once you get this option to click on this continue, just click on this continue and your Facebook lead ads will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After this, just choose your page name right over here like my prime properties and choose the form for which you want to create this automation. Select the response format as simple and click on the save and send test request. It is saying waiting for webhook response. So just open your lead ads testing tool, just select the same page, product as lead retrieval, same form and click on this preview form. Just fill in the form yourself right over here. Just this is a test lead, so just create a test lead and we are going to capture the response for the same. As you can see, I've entered all of my details right over here. Now I'm just going to click on this continue and then submit button. I've successfully submitted this lead. Now let me just open my workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. I will just show you that within seconds and in real time the details of the same test lead are captured. Now I'm just going to add these details in my Google Sheets. For that, just open your Google Sheets, click on this connect, add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build the connection. Pabbly is going to ask you for some permissions. So click on this continue, give Pabbly all the permissions because your data is safe with us and you can give Pabbly all the permissions. Now just select your spreadsheet and the sheet and then one by one enter all of these details. You do not have to enter these details manually by typing it, but instead you have to map it. Mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one map all the details right over here. As you can see, I've successfully mapped all the details right over here. In order to map these details, what you have to do is you have to put a slash, search for the details and map it like this. And as you can see, one by one we are going to map all the details and then we are good to go. After mapping the details, we just have to click on the save and send test request button and it is saying the details are added in my spreadsheet. So I'm just going to open my spreadsheet and you're going to see the details are added right over here. And like I showed in the starting of this video, whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, instantly the details will be added in my Google Sheets. So go and try this amazing automation yourself because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect and if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. If you like Pabbly Connect, do not forget this amazing discount coupon code which is RITYT, which can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. If you want a detailed tutorial, comment detail and I'll share you the video link. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.